I think art is like personality and message somehow. And I can see like personalities or expressions that I enjoy or that says something to me. But I want to do my own thing, of course. Because when you get that feeling of being very, very, very inspired by something, so inspired that it burns inside, you need to get it out. You need to have some kind of outlet. It's okay that you're doing it in your own way. You should do it only in your own way, for your own sake, and not anyone else's. I find a lot of my inspiration in nature. Going, exploring small adventures, riding my bike, going to the forest or traveling. I've known that I wanted to do something creative and do something visual, but I wouldn't know what box to put myself in, to be honest. I find a lot of inspiration in not knowing where some path or trail may end. Sometimes it doesn't lead anywhere, and other times it leads to something fantastic. But the feeling about exploring the unknown, going somewhere you don't know where you're gonna end up, I think that's fantastic.